Pause the bathroom floor tiling job at a logical stopping point to protect alignment and material quality. When pausing between steps, first finish the current row or pattern run so future work aligns without awkward cuts. Completely clean all tiles and joints of thinset or grout residue using a damp sponge and clean water so nothing hardens and causes lippage later. If you have open thinset, keep it moist by laying wax paper or plastic sheeting directly over the surface and weight it down lightly at the edges so moisture does not escape but the paper does not bond to the thinset. For grout that is already curing but not fully set, cover it with damp cotton rags and a plastic barrier to slow drying and prevent cracking from rapid moisture loss. Label and store mixed thinset or grout in airtight containers and write the mix time on the lid so you do not reuse material that has lost workability. Before resuming, inspect substrate and tile placement for any movement, re-wet thinset to a workable consistency only if it has not skinned over, and recheck level and alignment with a straight edge. 3 common mistakes are leaving exposed thinset or grout to dry and skin over, which makes bonding of new material weak, not completing a course leading to inconsistent spacings, and failing to protect adjacent fixtures so debris or moisture damages them. If thinset or grout skins over, remove it fully and reapply fresh material after cleaning. Never try to blend new soft mortar into a dry crust. If you stop mid-course, always cut and place a sacrificial tile or finish the run to preserve uniform joint width. If you leave fixtures exposed, cover them with breathable cloth, then a heavy plastic sheet and secure it to prevent dust and water from settling. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and lets us share project experience and recommendations that relate directly to pausing and resuming work. Our discussion community helps homeowners and contractors ask specific questions, share photos, and troubleshoot pauses so projects restart smoothly.